What's up, guys? This is Ellis and welcome to number 3 in the My Loop series. I'm going to be teaching you today how to work together a groove, and that's going to be including a kick, the claps, all the percussion, including chopping percussion up, using audio, using sample packs, using a sampler to build things together. So it's going to cover the full basis of how I make my grooves, and we'll even put a sub bass in just so you get the full force of how things are sounding. So the first thing I always do when I'm making my groove is I like to have a kick, and the reason I like to have the kick in is because a lot of the percussive elements you're going to be using work off a kick and they bounce off a kick, so to speak. So you really find that it's very useful to have a kick in there. I'll just take one out of a sample pack. It's nothing special. I think it's from a Dave Parkinson sample pack, something like that. Just your standard kick. Sounds pretty shit on its own. Cool. So let's start building this up. The first thing I like to do is generally work on the percussive sounds. And this is just taking certain sounds from sample packs and building a groove, so to speak. And once you get more advanced at doing this, you can start doing effects like delay and stereo imaging and things like that. So we'll look into that as well. So the first thing I'll do is put an instrument on there. I'm using Logic's ESX24, which is just a great sampler, and it's basically just going to allow me to find sample packs and put those sample packs into this ESX24. So let's have a little look.